இது வெபினார் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா? ஆ
Okay, so let us start now. Thanks everyone for joining. Very good evening. My name is Pranav and I am SAP FICO MM and SD consultant. Okay, I'll be giving you a glimpse of SAP, what details involved here. So let me share the screen. If you have any questions or queries, you can please let me know and ask your queries, please. Okay, so let us start. Let me share the screen first of all. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Let's start now. Thank you. No problem. Yes. Hope my screen is visible to everyone. So we will be starting the concepts and opportunities in SAP. Also, the entire syllabus part we are going to learn in detail over here, not a problem. Also, we will be learning the server access. Server is what? S4 HANA server. HANA is high performance analytic application. If you want, you can make a note of it. HANA means high performance analytic application. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the one. So let us start one by one. The conceptual clarity and basic understanding of SAP will learn. Concepts and opportunity. Let us start now. What is SAP? SAP is a name of a company. SAP company का नाम है. Okay. Systems, application and products in a data processing. It's a full form. SAP is an ERP company. Enterprise Resource Planning Company. SAP is basically an ERP company. The main important part are like it is user friendly. It is liable. Very much important. It is liable. It is easy to process. It's very, very easy in terms of processing. Okay, SAP is very easy to process. Then apart from that, it is affordable. Even the small scale companies and startup companies can afford SAP. It is affordable to all the business organizations. It is accurate and instant. You can take all the reports instantly. Okay, anyone, can you please tell me which all reports do we prepare in a company? Anyone? Yeah, Suresh.
Profits and loss.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Financial
Sir.
report like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, fund flow statement, and different details we can prepare properly in SA. In SA, not just in SAP, but everywhere. So these reports we can prepare very easily in SAP. Very important part. Yeah. Any doubt you can please ask me. Don't do this. Who has done this? Don't do this. Please erase this one. This blue line. Who has done this? Please erase this one. If you have any questions, you can please ask me. It's a request from my side. Please don't disturb me. Otherwise, it is not going to. Okay. Please remove this one. Thank you. So it is affordable. It is accurate and instant. You can call. It is deployed globally. It's a multi-country, multi-currency software. SAP is used across the world. It is called as multi-country, multi-currency software. Who has done this? Please remove this one. I'm requesting everyone. Yeah, Jojin Roy, please remove this one. Don't do this. If you have any question, you can ask me. Any doubt, please, you can ask me, but remove this one. This is not really required. It is accurate and instant. Okay, it is deployed globally, multi-country, multi-currency software, and it will improve the effectiveness of an organization. Very, very much important part. Organization's effectiveness is improved with the help of SAP. Okay, please understand this. These are the important details we can learn and understand in SAP. Apart from that, there are several other important things we are going to learn. Okay, along with the details over here, we will learn and understand the server access. You will be aware about the server. Server is for S4 HANA. It is the latest one. With the help of server access, we can learn and understand all the important details. Now, let us start over here is implement the all-in-one application for structuring and managing entire financial and accounting structure. With the help of SAP, we can do the details over here. This is the demo, man. This is not a class. Kripa. This is the demo. This is not a class. This is the demo. If in case any doubts or queries you have, you can please ask me. Okay? Yeah. Implement all-in-one application for structuring and managing entire financial and accounting structure. We can become more organized with a better record management, improved financial reporting, and ease in the decision-making process. Okay, so here we can learn and understand SAP here. I would like to show you. In SAP, we can prepare all the financial statements and report with the help of SAP. So, country-wise statements we can prepare. For example, US, UK, India, different countries' reports we can define and maintain practically as well. With the help of chart of accounts, we can prepare for India as well. So, US, UK, India, then France, different countries' reports we can prepare very easily. Okay, so here we can prepare all the financial statements and reports like assets and liabilities, equity, everything. Okay, anyone, can you please tell me what do we mean by chart of accounts? What is chart of accounts? Anyone? The definition of chart of accounts. What do we mean by chart of accounts? Please tell me. Chart of account is a list of general ledger accounts with the help of which we can prepare all the financial statements like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, and chart of accounts do involve liabilities and assets. Together it forms as a balance sheet. Income and expenditure. Together it involves trading and profit and loss account. So with the help of this, we can prepare and maintain all the details. Okay. Very much important part is chart of account. So we can prepare and maintain one by one. Then all the details we can define. Main bank account, every other important details we can define. Now, apart from this, the important part is we can compute entire financial condition of the business in a real-time base. If our company has got different branches, we can define that as well. Now, these are the roles offered to you. Please understand, once you complete this entire course, you will be given these roles. This is called as career path or hierarchy of a career. You can start working from associate consultant, you can become consultant, senior and principal consultant, even the solution architect as well. This is the career opportunities of SAP consultant. Okay. Also, you can start working from junior management level, middle management, senior management, and higher management level as well. Please understand this. These are the career paths for SAP consultant. Also, you can start working from entry level, intermediate level, consultant level, and expert level. If anyone is fresher, they can start from entry level, intermediate level, consultant level, and expert level. This is going to be helpful for you to understand. This is the detailed career path. Even you can start working from junior management level, middle management, senior management, and higher management level as well. These are the career opportunities for SAP consultant. Any doubt, anyone? Please, you can ask me. Then, apart from this now, please understand, starting with FICO, finance and controlling, we can learn. Okay, finance is a different module, controlling is a different module. So we can learn external requirements are basically a preparation of different financial statements like balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, fund flow statement, legal and statutory accounts. Statutory is compulsory by law. Statutory accounts are compulsory by law accounts. We can define legal and statutory account. Then standard ledgers, master data integration with controlling. Very, very important part. Master data integration with controlling. These are the things which we can define under external requirements, and controlling part involves internal requirements, which is mainly a theoretical part. Cost center report, sales and profit analysis, then management reporting and managing the budget expenditure for a company. Controlling is mainly theoretical part. Finance is basically your practical part. So we can learn and understand the details here. Okay, till this you can learn, and mainly you will receive the server access 24/7. You will have this one, S4 HANA. HANA means high performance analytic application. This is the latest module with the help of which you can define and maintain different financial statements and reports for a company. Then let us start from the beginning. Okay, we will be learning what is ERP, enterprise resource planning is ERP. SAP, Systems Application and Production Data Processing, is called as SAP FICO. FICO means finance and controlling part. We can learn every other detail in finance and controlling. And the accounting entries, mainly accounting entries are journal entries. Why journal? Because journal is a primary book of account. Okay, we can make different entries like journal entries like salary paid, salary account debit to bank account. Different entries. I'm just giving one example. Similarly, different entries we can define and maintain under the journal entries. Journal entries. Apart from that, there are different types of projects in a company can be defined and maintained. So we have different projects. Projects are like, for example, implementation project, development project, enhancement project, countrywide project. So different types of projects can be defined and maintained for the company. Different projects we can define. Okay, with the help of project, you will understand how exactly it works in a company. Very much important one. So we will be learning theoretical part, practical part together. Also, you will receive all the notes, PPT presentation, and details books of SAP as well. So it's a complete package. You will be learning and understanding from the beginning. And we have our classes from Monday to Friday, weekdays back, weekend batch is also there. So whichever timing is comfortable for you, it is for like weekdays, Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. So morning, afternoon, evening, we have different batches. Okay. Now, the first important topic is organizational structure. It is also called as enterprise structure. Okay. Every basic part we will learn. We will also send you all the detailed book as we discussed. And we will do the theory and practical part together in the class. It's an online class. So you can get the recording later on. Because it is an online class, so you will get the recording later on. Now here, we can define company. Company is a group of company. I'll show you. See, SPRO. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. Here, we can define and maintain enterprise structure. Under the definition part, we can define financial accounting, define company. Company, group of company. It's a group of company. It is an organization unit in accounting that allows you to organize your enterprise to meet certain legal requirements. So we can create company as per the country requirement, mainly Companies Act. In India, we can define company as per Companies Act. Company is a group of company. Okay. Example are Tata Group of Company, Mahindra Group of Company, Reliance Industries Limited. So these are the different industries we can define and maintain over here. Okay. So under one group of company, we can have different company codes. Example are like, for example, under Tata Group, we can have Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy, Tata Power, Tata Communications Limited, likewise. One group of company and different company codes to be defined and maintained under one group. Any doubt, anyone? If in case you have a doubt, please let me know, okay? Get it clarified. So company code is under one group, we can have different company codes. Now, under that, we can learn assignment of company code to company. Now, please understand, all the codes are different, but ultimately they are part of a company. Example, Bajaj Group of Company. We have Bajaj Motors separately, Bajaj Electricals and Bajaj Finance. But ultimately, all the three company codes are integrated with main Bajaj Group only. So we can define, integrate, and maintain the details. Okay. This is the important part. Under this, we can define and maintain these company codes. Assignment of a company code to company. Then we can define business area. Assignment of company code to company is done. We can maintain business area for a company. What is business area? I'll tell you. So company is a group of company. Company code means under one group, we can have different company codes. Assignment part is like for integration. You would have seen that there is a proper integration like consolidated financial statements for Tata Group of companies for the year end March 24. In that, there is a proper consolidation of all the different businesses. Like all the company codes is integrated with the main Tata Group of company. Okay. Everyone, please keep yourself on mute. This is important one. Okay. Yeah. Please concentrate here. Please keep yourself on mute. Yeah. Okay. So business area means main business of a company. Like we have a geography-wise business area and product-wise business area. Geographies are like your branch offices. Example: Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. Likewise. And product-wise are like software, hardware, manufacturing, automobile, pharmaceutical. So these are the products. We can either prepare geography-wise or product-wise as well. Different geographies and different products. So different business areas, functional areas. I'll show you. Functional areas are the departments in a company. These are the ones. Under functional area, we can have, see, production department, sales and distribution, admin, research and development, also sales, finance, HR. These are the different functional the departments for a company. We can define and maintain functional areas likewise. If in case any doubt, please let me know. हिंदी में बताया जाएगा सर आपको, डोंट वरी. अपनी हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में बैचेस है. तो फंक्शनल एरिया का मतलब है कंपनी के डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग, जैसे कि HR, MM, SD, PP, सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स आपको पता है. अपने बैचेस सर हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में है, डोंट वरी सर, ये हो पाएगा. आप स्पेसिफिक हिंदी का भी बैच ले सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं. क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया का मतलब है कि क्रेडिट असाइन करना. क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया मीन्स गिविंग क्रेडिट टू द कस्टमर्स. नाउ सी, we cannot give credit to each and every customer. Credit will be given to our super stockist, authorized distributors of a company. सिर्फ authorized distributor जो बड़े बड़े होंगे उसको हम क्रेडिट देंगे. विवेक तिवारी जी, कोई डाउट है आपको, बताइए सर. सर ये कोर्स पूरा 2.5 से 3 महीने का है. मानव जी, विवेक तिवारी सर, कोई डाउट है आपको, प्लीज पूछिए मुझे. क्रेडिट कंट्रोल का मतलब होता है कि गिविंग क्रेडिट टू द कस्टमर्स. ओके. और क्रेडिट हम किसे देंगे? देखिए, इंडिविजुअल कस्टमर्स को हम नहीं देंगे, अपने सुपर स्टॉकिस्ट, ऑथराइज्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, जो बड़े डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर रहेंगे उन्हें दिया जाएगा. जस्ट लाइक क्रेडिट ऑफ 1 करोड़, 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कंपनी टू कंपनी. एंड व्हाई क्रेडिट इज गिवन? क्रेडिट इज गिवन जनरली टू इंक्रीज द सेल्स एंड अवेलेबिलिटी इन द मार्केट एज वेल. हमें बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए क्रेडिट देना पड़ता है. क्रेडिट देना इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. गिविंग क्रेडिट इज बेसिकली नॉट अ गुड थिंग, बट स्टिल वी नीड टू गिव इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज द सेल. यस, हिंदी में अवेलेबल होगा सर. यस, नो प्रॉब्लम. हिंदी इंग्लिश क्लासेस आर सेपरेट. We can learn in and understand in Hindi and English separately. No problem. Okay. Now, credit control area, assignment of company code to credit control area, definement of a segment. What is segment? Segment is basically, we have a geography-wise and product-wise segments. I'll tell you, it's a deeper business area. Segment is basically a deeper business area. Please understand. So we can learn and understand segment like international segment, domestic segment, urban segment, rural segment. Different types of segments here. Also, we can learn and understand this one, product-wise segments. For example, your company is into automobile. I'm giving you just example. So under automobile, we can have a segments for two-wheeler, four-wheeler, petrol vehicle segment, diesel vehicle segment. Also, your company produces tractors, truck manufacturing, also passenger carrier vehicle, likewise. So these are the different segments. As per the customer preferences, we need to define and maintain different types of segments here. Okay, very much important part. Likewise, we are going to learn financial management area. Now, FM area means financial management area. Mainly, it is a currency of the country to be defined. For India, it is INR. For UK, GBP, USA, US dollar, and Canada, Canadian dollar. So wherever our company has got branches, we need to define and maintain different types of currencies as well. Yes, all the topics will be covered. Manavji, yes, we are going to cover each and every topic with the proper details. Along with that, we will give you notes as well. Okay, I can show you the kind of notes we can share. Okay, wait, I'll show you. So you will understand the kind of notes we have. It's a quality structure we will be defining and maintaining. So there will not be any issues for you to understand. Let me share the screen. No, not required. Vivekji, financial modeling is not at all required. You can directly join. Let me share the screen. I'll show you. See, these are the notes. We can share you this note. See, enterprise structure, introduction part, all the details. See, one by one. So, company, meaning of a company, menu path, and these are the details. Also, the screenshots will be included. Once you just go through the notes, you will understand. It's very, very easy. Okay, these are the notes we will give you. Also, this is the PPT presentation properly, the proper notes, and most importantly, we will send you latest books of SAP. Okay, SAP standard books we will be sending you. See, by looking at the notes, by just following it. See, this is the menu path. We can create company. How to create company? See, just follow the menu path. See, SPRO. What is SPRO? SAP Project Reference Object. SAP Reference IMG Enterprise Structure Definition. Financial Accounting Define Company. I'll show you how to define this. See, SPRO. See, SAP Project Reference IMG Enterprise Structure Definition Financial Accounting and Define Company. Here we can create our own company. For example, Vivek Group of Companies, Arshia Group of Companies. Likewise, we can create different types of companies here. Under one group of company, we can have different company codes under that. For example, under Arshia Group of Companies, we can create Arshia Software, Arshia Hardware, Automobile, Electrical, and different company codes. So one group of company in detail and different company codes to be defined. Either you can create this or even you can create large group of companies and under that different company codes. Okay. And under that we can define the business area, functional area, credit control area, like giving credit to our super stockists and authorized distributors. Got it? If in case any doubt, you can please ask. So this is the first topic we have done in detail. Now, I would like to show you the other one, second topic. Now, every year we need to define and activate new general ledger accounting. Under that, we can define our financial year. In India, we follow April to March. You might be aware about it. Across the world, there are different financial years to be followed as per the country requirement. Okay. It is not a company requirement, it's a country requirement. Like, for example, in India, we follow April to March. In USA, generally it is being followed January to December. Most of the European countries do follow July to June. And most of the Gulf countries do follow October to September. So likewise, we can define, but one thing common over there is 12 months and 4 special posting periods. 12 months are 12 posting periods and 4 special periods are 4 quarters. Now in India, we have 4 quarters like end user and SAP consult, mainly consultant. Yes. Actually, you will receive the server access, Junaid ji. It is a consultant course. You will get the server access. This server access you will get so that you can prepare on your own. It is absolutely yes. Okay. So we can define fiscal year variant, 12 months and 4 special posting periods are 4 quarters. Also, we can define variants for open and closed posting periods for a company. Like that we can define. Okay. For example, just like we have seen, like for example, under Arshia group of companies, we have Arshia Software, Hardware, Manufacturing, Automobile. Under that, we can certainly be able to maintain all the company codes from April to March because all these companies' operations are in India. Okay. Likewise, we can maintain and define the details. So posting keys we can maintain. What do you mean by posting key? I'll tell you. Posting keys are give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, let us start now. So we can define posting key is a 2-digit numerical key. With the help of posting keys, we can maintain all the different details. For example, A, D, K, M, S. For example, A for assets. D for debtor. Debtor means account receivable. K for vendors are accounts payable, creditors. Okay. Account receivable, accounts payable. M for material account, and S for general ledger account. So we can maintain all the posting keys here. Generally, posting keys are defined as per the company requirement. We can define different document types. Okay, like the document types for all the details and everything. Yes. Manufacturing. Yeah, definitely, sir. If you have already a prior experience, it will definitely be helpful. You can make a career out of SAP industry. You can see that right now 70% market is acquired by SAP. So if you start your working in SAP, it will really be helpful. And it is for everyone, those who are graduate, even chartered accountants and CMAs and everyone. Those who already have a prior experience, they can do SAP. It is going to be extremely helpful for them to make a career out of SAP industry. Yes. You can also work as a freelancer, not just for company, but you can start working as freelancer as well. Work from home opportunities are high in number in SAP. So define tolerance group for employees. Tolerance is basically a limit we can give to the employees in order to make a billing and even the other details as well. Now, as I shown it to you, we can have a chart of accounts, account group. Account groups are like liabilities, asset, income, expenditure for a company. Retained earnings account we can define. Anyone, can you tell me what is retained earnings? Any idea? Yes, Arshia ma'am, what is retained earning? Any idea, ma'am? Ma'am, I think you're on mute. I can't hear you. What do we mean by retained earning? Anyone has any idea what is this concept all about? See, these kind of questions can be asked you in an interview. Arshia,
Sir, profit. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The retained earnings are nothing but the profit after the tax, and which is
Ah.
stored for next year. Like after
What?
all paying dividends, all the things, the
Yes.
rest of money will be retained for future expenses.
And sir, retained earning is an asset or income, sir? क्या है retained earning company point of view से क्या है बताइए?
Asset है, asset is completely asset.
नहीं सर, गलत है. It is a liability. Asset कैसे होगा आप बताइए? हाँ, ये प्रॉफिट है, आई एग्री. बट प्रॉफिट पे पहला हाथ किसका होता है सर? दोज हु आर शेयर होल्डर्स, है ना?
Yeah.
शेयर
After paying all dividends.
नहीं 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 सर,
Asset.
ऐसा नहीं है. रिटेन्ड अर्निंग का मतलब है प्रॉफिट हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ही नहीं किया, हमने अपने पास रखा. अगर आप डिविडेंड दे दोगे तो प्रॉफिट बचेगा कहाँ?
Okay, okay, thank
So retained earning means that every year company earns good amount of profit, but rather than distributing profit among shareholders in the form of dividend, company management decides that they will keep the money for the future growth purpose. So you can keep it for 1 year or 2 year, लेकिन आपको तीसरे साल तो देना ही पड़ेगा सर. So it is termed as a liability. It comes under balance sheet liability side. Retained earning is not a profit; it's a liability. These questions can be asked to you, so you know the answer. Okay, then we can define different types of accounts like liabilities, asset, income, expenditure. Under chart of accounts we can maintain, and accounting entries also we can do. Okay, so for the financial statements we can define and maintain as per requirement. Very important topic, general ledger. Apart from that, we have a tax configuration part. Yes, so we have different types of taxes. Example are okay, anyone, can you tell me which all taxes we have in a company? Yes, ma'am. Arshia, ma'am. Any answer?
Sir, direct tax,
GST?
indirect tax,
Which one, sir?
direct tax
GST?
and indirect tax.
Yes, correct. Apart from that, yes, yes.
GST?
GST. Yes, correct, correct, correct. Mainly, ma'am, there are two different types: input and output tax.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
what is input tax? Tell me. You have any idea? Input tax क्या होता है? ये पता होना चाहिए. Very important one. As a commerce student, or you should know
सर
that.
सर इनपुट टैक्स वो होता है जैसे हमारे जैसे वेजेस वगैरह हो गए, हमारा किराया हो गया, इस तरह करके जो उस पे हमारे प्रोडक्ट पे लगते हैं वो इनपुट टैक्स होता है.
नहीं नहीं, गलत आंसर. नहीं होता है वो. इनपुट
इनपुट
टैक्स का मतलब है टैक्स ऑन परचेसेस.
ओ
आप
सॉरी सर वो जैसे हम वो GSTR 3 में ITC वगैरह क्लेम करते हैं उस तरह का इनपुट टैक्स होता है
वो विथ होल्डिंग टैक्स हो गया. आप जो बता रहे हो ना, वो विथ होल्डिंग टैक्स है सर. वो अलग है. टैक्स
ओके.
टैक्सेशन बहुत बड़ा है. हम लोग इसमें सी इट विल टेक फ्यू डेज फॉर अस टू लर्न टैक्सेशन. टैक्सेशन छोटा नहीं है, टॉपिक बहुत बड़ा है. देखिए,
ओके ओके
इसका मतलब है आर्शा मैम, इनपुट टैक्स मींस टैक्स ऑन परचेसेस. ओके, so whatever raw material we are purchasing from the vendor means what? A person or a company from whom we buy goods on a credit basis. Because see, Company cannot pay immediately. Company require at least 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months time. So whatever raw material we are purchasing, we need to pay input tax. And
Okay,
input considered as an asset for a company. Why it is so, I'll tell you. See, it comes over here. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये बहुत ही important concept है. SPERO, SAP Reference IMG under Financial Accounting, Global Settings Part, Tax on Purchases and Sales. देखिए, tax on purchases. Input tax means tax on purchases which is charged by vendor. Input tax is called as an asset. Why it is so? Because a claim for refund of the deductible portion of input tax can be submitted to tax authorities. जो भी टैक्स आपने इनपुट के मतलब परचेसेस पे ऊपर भरा है उसको आप क्रेडिट ले सकते हो एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल्स. दैट इज द रीजन इट इज कॉल्ड एज एसेट. सो एवरी ईयर आपका ये होना चाहिए कि आपका इनपुट कम होना चाहिए, आउटपुट ज्यादा होना चाहिए. कभी भी देखिए, रॉ मटेरियल का अमाउंट जितना है उससे डबल अमाउंट का आपका सेल होना चाहिए, तभी तो आपको प्रॉफिट होगा. अदरवाइज यू विल अननेसेसरी बुक लॉसेस. Input tax is a tax on purchases which is charged by vendor, and there are, okay, how many types of vendors? Any idea? Anyone? Vendor के types बताइए. We have a domestic vendor, import vendor, one time vendor. Domestic मतलब local, import is a foreign vendor, and one time का मतलब है if the goods are not available with the domestic and import vendor, we have to go for one time vendor. मैं आपको बताता हूँ वन टाइम क्या होता है. देखिए, टाटा मोटर्स purchases tires for MRF tires every year, every month you can call. But if MRF doesn't have the required quantity, they will have to go for CAT tires. So CAT is their one time vendor, जो रेगुलर नहीं है, बट अगर हमें जरूरत है तो हमें उनसे परचेस करना पड़ेगा. इट इज कॉल्ड एज वन टाइम वेंडर. Output tax is a tax levied on customers at all levels of production and trade. Output tax is basically a liability for a company. Okay. आउटपुट टैक्स क्या होता है? इट्स अ लाइबिलिटी फॉर अ कंपनी laid on customers at all levels of production and trade. So production and trade means right from production to service provider to wholesaler to retailer to customer. Each and every stage of value addition, the tax is levied. It is called as GST. जैसे मैम ने बताया, GST means output tax means हाँ indirect tax for a company. So CGST, SGST, IGST and UTGST. So we will learn everything. It's a liability. Output tax, once you pay, you cannot get it back. But input tax, you can claim it back from the government. At the time of sales, you can deduct the input tax from the whatever output tax. So always, output tax will high in number rather than input tax. Then we have the next one is accounts payable part. Payable is a liability. It comes under balance sheet liability side. Create vendor account group. So we have domestic vendor, import vendor, one-time vendor. Domestic is a local vendor. Import is a foreign vendor. And one-time means rare vendor, we have seen. And always remember everyone, accounts payable will be integrated with material management. So we are going to learn integration part between FI to MM over here. It is not just about finance and controlling, but material management part also will be covered here. So vendor account, number ranges and everything we can create. Sundry creditors. Creditors means basically a liability again. Tolerance group we can define here. Now please understand, what is this tolerance? So whenever we are dealing with the foreign vendors, there is a payment difference. For example, dollar to rupee exchange rate, pound to rupee exchange rate. So at the time of a difference, we need to adjust this with a tolerance group for vendor account. So we can create this one, vendor payment term. So manual payment term, automatic payment program we can define. Vendor master data also we can create. And the main important part we will learn is automatic payment program, APP. With the help of APP, we can learn and understand what is APP. I'll tell you. Automatic payment program. With the help of APP, we can fetch all the due and overdue invoices for the customers and vendors and can make a payment at the same time. It is called as ऑटोमेटिक. यस, देखो मैन्युअली पे कर सकते हैं या फिर आप ऑटोमेटिकली भी पे कर सकते हैं. एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इसमें हम देखेंगे P2P. P2P का मतलब है प्रोक्योर टू पे प्रोसेस, राइट फ्रॉम परचेस टिल द पेमेंट पार्ट. इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू डिफाइन इट प्रॉपरली. प्रोक्योर टू पे, परचेस टिल पेमेंट पार्ट. देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी विल बी लर्निंग SD, अकाउंट रिसीवेबल मेनली, जो कि SD के साथ इंटीग्रेट होगा. SD मींस सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. So FI to MM integration, FI to SD integration also we will be learning. Under that, we can define customer account. Customer also of three types, like domestic customer, export customer, one-time customer. 90% of our customers will be domestic, जो कि पास में होंगे वो अपने पास आएंगे खरीदने के लिए. Okay, likewise we can define. And importantly, see, whenever you join a company, it is not just finance, but you need to understand the material management and SD part as well, because accounts payable will be integrated with MM, account receivable will be integrated with SD. तो ये आपको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नंबर रेंजेस वी कैन मेंटेन. कस्टमर पेमेंट अगेन मैनुअल हो सकता है, ऑटोमेटिक हो सकता है. देन वी कैन हैव अ डनिंग प्रोसीजर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. व्हाट इज डनिंग? Dunning is basically a reminder to the customer in order to make a payment on time against the due bills. उनको रिमाइंड करना. This is not a legal notice. We are ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग उनको धमका रहे हैं. हमें सिर्फ
like reminder message
हाँ,
that you have 10 days left extra.
जैसे कि आप बोल सकते हैं कि यू हैव टेकन अ लोन फ्रॉम अ बैंक. बैंक का जो आपको 25-26 तारीख को मैसेज आएगा दैट डियर कस्टमर, your home loan EMI is due on the last day of this month, so please make the necessary arrangement to make a payment on time in order to avoid any kind of penalties in future. बैंक ये भी लिखती है कि आपके ये सिविल स्कोर पे अफेक्ट करेगा अगर आपने लेट किया तो.
Yes, sir.
So it is important for us to make a payment on time. It is called as dunning to remind the customer. ओके जैसे अब हमने P2P देखा है अकाउंट्स पेएबल में, वैसे रिसीवेबल में क्या आता है, कोई बताएगा? एनीवन? जुनेद?
सर अकाउंट रिसीवेबल में जो हमारी कस्टमर से पेमेंट वगैरह जो हमें रिसीव हुई है सारी वो वाली एंट्रीज आएंगी.
वो तो आ गया. देखो P2P की तरह यहाँ पे क्या आता है अकाउंट रिसीवेबल के अंदर? एनीवन कैन यू टेल मी? संतोष, सुरेश कुमार, विशाल. जस्ट लाइक P2P in account O2C. Correct. This is the correct answer. Order to cash. Right from ordering the goods till the payment of cash. Procure to pay, order to cash. Very nice. And this concept will definitely ask you in an interview as well. Very good answer. It's absolutely fine. We will learn in English as well. I am going to cover everything in Hindi and English both. Order to cash, procure to pay, everything we will learn. These are very important concepts. Yes. We can conduct classes in English as well, sir. There is no issue with the language. Absolutely fine. So, creation of a bank key. Under bank accounting topic, we are going to learn. Bank key is a 16-digit alphanumeric code with the help of which we can locate our bank across the world. It's a unique identifier for our bank. Bank key. Just like, for example, ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank, Morol Road, Morol, Mumbai branch. Okay, or you can say State Bank of India, 10 Janapath, Delhi. This is the unique identifier. So there is a proper key which is being defined and maintained for that bank. It is called as house. It is called as bank key. House bank is a bank through which we can make a payment to our customers and vendors at the same time. In order to keep a good view, we can make a payment to our customers. Global settings for EBS. EBS means electronic bank statement. Everything under EBS we can define and maintain for the detail. Then we have a treasury management part. Under that we can define logbox. Logbox क्या है? Logbox is special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due bills. Logbox concept is not there in India. It is mainly used in USA. Logbox is special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due bills. This is specifically used in USA. It is not there in India. Logbox posting data we can define. Source symbols we can define and maintain for a company. The next topic we have is asset accounting. We can learn chart of depreciation, just like chart of accounts. Depreciation is decrease in the value of asset due to wear and tear. Practical part you will do it. There is no issue. But understanding each and every concept and clearing the interview should be your aim. Okay. Assignment of chart of depreciation to company code, specifying the account determination, create screen layout rules for company, and maintaining the asset number ranges as well we can define and maintain for a company. Defining the asset classes, every other important details we can define. Then, apart from this, we will be learning investment management. So under the investment part, we can define investment program types. Then, assignment of program types to operative objects. define investment profile. Mainly, we are going to define AUC, asset under construction, investments in shares, bonds, debentures. So different types of investment we can maintain here. This is the entire syllabus for part for finance. And under the controlling, I'll show you. We can learn and understand the details like see, general controlling, cost center accounting, internal orders, mainly COPA, controlling and profitability analysis, and profit center accounting. Every other detail we can define. Finance part is mainly for practical purpose, controlling is for theoretical part, but important. Both the parts are very much important for us to learn and understand. Okay, you will also get the project after completion of the entire course, and you will get the certification after completion of the exam. We will help you for your exam, interview, and most importantly, mock interview sessions will be taken by us. Anyone has any doubt, please let me know. The entire course duration is 2.5 to 3 months. We have classes on Saturday, Sunday, Monday to Friday as well. There is no issue with the timing you can join. Also, as I told you, we can have a specific classes for Hindi and English. Both the languages classes are regularly happening. Yes. Anybody has any doubt, please let me know.
Sir, what are the timings for the classes, sir, regularly?
We have a morning batch, afternoon batch, evening batch. Saturday, Sunday also the similar kind of batches. Timing is no issue, ma'am. You can join any time, no problem.
Means what are the timings? I wanted to take in the evening batch. So
Evening,
what are the timings?
see, I'll tell you. Morning 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2. And evening we have a 6 to 8 p.m. batch, 8 to 10 or 8:30 to 10:30, like that. Flexible timing is there. There is no issue.
Daily 2 hours class, sir.
Daily, or you can also choose the class like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Every alternate day classes are also there.
Sir, then what is the difference between regular batch and the weekend batches, sir?
There is no difference as such, ma'am. The regular hours will be taken over there. There is no difference.
The syllabus will be covered fully in the
Yes,
weekend
yes.
batches.
Yes. Every batch syllabus will definitely be covered because we are going to take the classes for 2.5 to 3 months. Syllabus will. Yes.
Will there be any time difference for the weekend classes and weekday classes?
Ma'am, we have a 2 hours class, 3 hours class, whatever you feel comfortable, you can join. Yes.
So it's we can choose either 2 hours or 3 hours, either in weekday or weekend.
Weekdays or weekend. Like if you are working professional, it should match your office hours as well. So you can choose, no problem, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, do we have live projects to do in this after
Yes.
the
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
course?
Yes. After completion of the class, you will definitely get the project. Yes, why not?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, definitely. You will get the different certification for the project. Also will help you to prepare your resume, interview, and examination as well. Exam also very important. Any doubt, anyone, please ask me.
Sir, what type of exam do we have, sir?
It is MCQ exam, multiple choice question.
Online exam only?
Online, yes. Exam will be online, yes. And you will be guided throughout the course in order to prepare for exam. Yeah.
Sir, what is the fee structure of the course?
Fee structure, you can talk to relationship manager, they will guide you. Regarding placement as well,
Okay.
yeah, you can have a word with customer support team, placement manager, they will guide you. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Interviews
Also
will
gonna,
be scheduled, yes.
also gonna get some internship, right? Like the
Yes.
internship program, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes. Internship will be given. Also, interviews are scheduled by us. Yes, definitely. We have a tie-up with different companies, ma'am. You can have a word with relationship manager. Customer support team, they will definitely guide you regarding it. Everything will be covered. No, don't worry about that. You will be given extensive training. After that, the projects will be given and even will help you in all the details. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
right now I'm pursuing my MBA.
Great.
So I have my exams in the month of December end and January. So if I miss any classes of these, will I be having again, or will I be getting the recordings of the class?
Recording, any which ways you will get it, ma'am. For every class, you will get the recording.
Okay, sir.
For every class, ma'am. Yes. And if you miss any classes, you can join any of the batch. Like you have the authority. You can join the batch once again right from the beginning. And that is not a problem. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Regarding the portal, about how to use the portal in an efficient way, we'll be getting proper trainings, right?
Yeah. Yes. Because at the time of practical part, it will be helpful for you to understand how to use the portal, ma'am. That part will be covered. Yes. We will help you with the portal access. Why not? Sure. Yes. Anyone else has any issues?
And the training over here, suppose that like I have been in the finance since like 5-7 years as an experience in there. Like I didn't know, like it was not something like entire finance. Understanding it was a US mortgage initially and then a credit control part. So I want to know it from the basic. So all the training will be from the
Yeah.
very
Right
basic.
from the basics, ma'am. Yes. Every basic concept will be covered. Yes. So I am going to take the classes. We also have other faculties as well. So you can choose the faculty of your own choice. It is absolutely fine. We do have different faculties. As per your requirement, you can choose the faculty and join the classes. There is no issue with the faculty. You can join either Hindi or English batch. That is absolutely fine. And we do have a different faculties in order to teach you. You can understand. You will get the recording part. Everything will be given to you. Yes. Okay. If in case you have any other questions, please talk to relationship manager. They will guide you in detail. Okay.
Regarding what we are going through previously, the index, what things are going to cover. Now, can you please, is it possible that relationship manager can just provide us what's going to cover in the, or is it that we can only provide it afterwards after we join the class?
Yeah. It is possible, ma'am. You can join any of the classes. Yes. It is.
My question is that what we're going to cover in the class, if I want to know that these are the stuff, if I want to, if these are the topics we're going to get covered, so is it fine that you can, before I join the class or I enroll in this program, you can give me the topic which we're going to cover?
Yeah. You will be given the notes as well, ma'am. Yes. Before joining the class, you will get the notes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo. So we'll stop here for today. Thank you everyone for joining. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank
You
you.
can join any of my classes. I am conducting different batches. So whichever batch you feel comfortable, you can join. As I told you, I do conduct class in Hindi and English. Both the languages I am comfortable with. You can join any of the classes. Also, I will send you different detailed notes, PPT presentation, and I'll make sure that your interview is clear. Once your interview is clear, you need not to worry about. So it is absolutely possible. You can join any of my batches. In fact, I suggest you to join the faculty of your own choice, which you feel comfortable with. Absolutely possible. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. If in case any doubts or queries, please get in touch with the relationship manager. They will guide you. Okay. Chalo. Thank you, Arsha ma'am. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
ஆமா மகாராஜா